Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to download GTA 6 Early Access. So as you can see right here, the GTA actually, this is the Rockstar website, and you're gonna see right here the Grand Theft Auto, which is the Grand Theft Auto 5, right? Which is the latest one. So basically, you'll be able to see, the GTA 6. So unfortunately for now, it's actually not available right now on the Rockstar because the Rockstar haven't announced yet when the game will be released. They all said that it's gonna be released maybe 2026 or something like that. So basically, it's gonna take a while before you download it. But basically, you're gonna see right here, the Grand Theft Auto. You can just search for it right here, and after you search for it, you're gonna see if the Grand Theft Auto 6 was available, and you're gonna see something just like this, and you're gonna see the features and everything, and you're gonna be able to know when to upload or download the game in which device as well. So you can select the platform and select the device that you are currently using, whether it was console or PC, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.